Hello everyone, in this video I will review StarTrader. StarTrader is an online trading platform that provides access to a wide range of financial instruments including forex, commodities, indices, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. It offers over 1,000 products catering to trades around the world. Users can choose from multiple account types such as a standard, ECN, and swap-free accounts with leverage options up to 1 by 500. The platform offers competitive spreads starting from 0.0 pips on ECN accounts, which is attractive for active traders. StarTrader support popular trading platforms like MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, WebTrader, and its own mobile app for trading on the go. The broker is regulated by authorities including ASIC, FSA, and FSCA, providing a level of security and reliability for clients. Trade can also use features like copy trading, PAMM accounts, and social trading to follow experienced investors. Multilingual customer support is available 24/6 to assist with questions or issues. The platform is suitable for both beginners and experienced traders due to its flexible tools and educational resources. Some users know that understanding fees and spreads is important to avoid surprises. StarTrade's mobile app makes it convenient to manage trades anytime, anywhere. The interface is generally considered user-friendly and accessible. Advanced charting tools and technical indicators help traders analyze markets effectively. Overall, StarTrade is a versatile and secure online broker that offers many features for a wide range of trading styles. It combines of account types, regulatory oversight, and trading tools, making it a solid choice for those interested in global markets. As with any broker, new users should start cautiously and fully understand the platform before committing significant capital. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.